the 5 best AI tools to learn English. Learning English has never been more flexible, personal, and powerful than it is today. Thanks to AI-powered tools, you can practice speaking, improve your grammar, boost your vocabulary, and build confidence from your phone or laptop. Today we're counting down the 5 best AI tools for learning English, ranked from number 5 down to number 1. By the end, you'll know which one aligns with your learning style and goals. 5. Glish. At number 5 is Gliglish. This tool lets you learn by speaking, chatting with an AI partner, role-playing real-life situations, improving your listening and pronunciation in a natural way. The advantage is that you practice via voice early and often, which helps reduce the fear of speaking. The trade-off: you'll still need to work on reading and writing separately. Ideal user learners who want to build verbal confidence and fluency, especially in conversational or everyday English. Number 4 is Laura, described as an advanced AI English speaking tutor. You engage in conversations about anything from your interests, studies, or work and get immediate feedback on your speaking, grammar, and fluency. The advantage: personalized speaking practice anytime. The limitation: it focuses mostly on speaking practice. If you need full-scale reading, writing, or test prep, you may add other tools. Ideal user intermediate learners looking to improve spoken English and gain fluency. 3. Elsa AI. Coming in at number 3 is Elsa AI. This tool is designed for speaking fluency, pronunciation, and situational English learning. You choose a scenario like business meeting, travel, or everyday conversation, speak into the app, and receive feedback on your accent, rhythm, and accuracy. The major advantage: you refine your spoken English with precise feedback that many apps don't offer. The drawback: it's more speaking focused. You'll still work on other skills elsewhere. User: learners at any level wanting sharper pronunciation and clearer spoken English. 2. Mind Grasp for English learners. At number 2 we have Mind Grasp in its variant for language learning. This tool allows you to upload text, lectures, or audio, and it converts them into structured study aids, summaries, flashcards, quizzes tailored for English learners. The advantage: you get not only exposure to English but also tools to digest it, remember it, and use it actively. The trade-off: you still need to spend time on meaningful interactions, speaking and writing beyond the study logic. Ideal user: students who want to absorb English materials efficiently, build vocabulary, and structure their study. 1. Promova AI English Tutor and Practice Partner, and the number 1 spot goes to Promova AI. This tool is an English learning assistant built with AI to help you practice speaking, use new phrases, correct grammar, and gain confidence naturally. Its advantage is the breadth. You get conversational practice, grammar correction, vocabulary building, and real-life sentences tailored to your level. The only limitation: like any tool, you'll still improve fastest when you pair it with actual use, speaking, writing, reading in the real world. Ideal user: any learner, beginner, intermediate, or advanced who wants a comprehensive AI companion for English practice. Conclusion: so there you have it, the 5 best AI tools for learning English. From Gliglish at number 5 for speaking practice, to Loara at 4 for an advanced AI partner, to Elsa AI at 3 for pronunciation mastery, to MindGrasp at 2 for structured studying and active recall, and topping the list, Promova AI for full spectrum English learning support. Each tool suits a different kind of learner, whether you want to speak more, refine your accent, study efficiently, or have a full practice partner. Now ask yourself, what is your biggest English learning challenge right now? Is it speaking fluently, pronouncing clearly, absorbing vocabulary and reading, or building confidence across all skills? Once you know that, pick the tool that addresses your gap and commit to consistent use. With AI as your companion, you can turn learning English from a chore into a habit you enjoy. And if you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.